Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to dry brush your skin properly. This will be a tutorial for healthy skin, so let's get right into the video. All that you need is any type of brush. There are certain brushes, certain types of brushes, I should say, that are better for this and worse, but at the end of the day, a brush is a brush, okay? I literally have my eldest daughter's hair comb over here. This will work fine. You can literally get any brush possible, any comb possible, and it will still do a good job. Now, the best types of brushes are the ones that have many, many fibers. So if you have a brush that has like many, many fibers, this is like a detangler brush, so this is okay. But if you have one that has many types of fibers, many like packed with fibers, that's going to be the best one. This is going to be the second best type, and combs will be the third best type, but they're all going to work. Now essentially, let me just take this sweater off. I have a shirt under here. Just give me a moment. Let's take this sweater off to give you a better view so I can show you how I would do this with my arms over here. Okay, so let's take the sweater off, throw it over there. Perfect. Now essentially, what you're going to do is you're going to get your comb or brush, and you're going to brush your skin. Now first and foremost, I do this often because it feels fantastic. It's like a massage almost. I'm like, wow, this feels great. You want to brush your skin. Don't apply too much pressure, just apply a little bit of pressure. Now what this is going to do is this is going to loosen up and allow any dead skin cells to sort of fall off your body. You don't want those dead skin cells to stay on your body. You want them to fall off. You don't necessarily want to scratch them off, but using something gentle like a brush like this will loosen up all of those dead skin cells. And you can actually go in like a circular motion like this, because this brush is very gentle, so you can go in a circular motion like this and loosen everything up. And what this does is it actually allows you to rejuvenate your skin, okay? Now, I feel like I'm just kind of making this up now on the spot, but I feel like I could do this on my head, because my head does get not a lot of dead skin cells, but it is the area of my skin that is seen the most. So like I feel like, oh wow, oh my Lord, that feels astonishing, okay? Never mind for the dead skin cells, it just feels incredible. Sending tingles, whoa, sending tingles down my spine. But yeah, I mean, you can really do this on any area of your skin, and I would recommend, highly recommend that you do it before you take a shower or a bath. Because when you take a shower, you're getting all of that moisture on your skin. If you do this before the shower and you remove all of the dead skin cells from your body, right? And you take a shower, that moisture from the shower water is then going to seep into the skin, making your skin rejuvenated, more elastic, more vibrant, right? And you can do this even on your face. Nothing's saying you can't do this on your cheeks over here. Now your face is not really prone to getting lots of dead skin cells, not as easily as other areas, but like your arms, I wear a lot of sweaters constantly. If you see in my videos, I'm basically always wearing either a t-shirt or a sweater. I don't wear anything in between. For the most part, it's always a t-shirt or a sweater. I even rarely wear a jacket unless it's like cold and snowing. You know, 90% of the year I'm in a t-shirt or a sweater. And essentially when I wear a sweater, lots of dead skin cells accumulate on my arms, okay? So I definitely notice a difference when I've dry brushed my skin on my arms, so that I can, you know, get all those dead skin cells out, and then I can hopefully allow that skin to rejuvenate, and that's it. I mean, it's no secret why I look like a young person. I know. I believe it or not, I'm in my mid-30s at the time of making this video. I'm 35 years old, halfway between 30 and 40. I'm basically like, you know, next year is going to be like I'm almost 40. Right now I'm midway. 35 is midway. But, you know, I mean, I don't think I look super young, but I don't think I look like I'm in my mid-30s, especially when I go like this, you know, and people say I look like a young hip version of, you know, an actor. I'm just kidding. I was going to name drop, but I'm not going to. So that's it. I feel like this video is taking a turn for a completely different side of what we're talking about now. Anyways, that's how to dry brush your skin. Hopefully you've found this educational as well as entertaining. Why don't you comment below who I look like in terms of actors, because I know I sound like. I get so many comments saying, you look like this person, you sound like this person, and I want to know who I look like, a younger version of that actor. I would love to hear your opinion. But yeah, that's it. That's dry brushing your skin. Do it, you know, once a week. Get some healthy skin going, get some rejuvenation going, get some, you know, nice massage going, and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.